1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. No be so, do you want capture my soul? Again, no be so, make me one bonobo. Peru, para, Peru, Peru, para. I'm loose, even Peru don't te para. Tonight in Josie, I'm in Josie. Mon Koran van one Josie. I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. My third album is loaded. Be okay in Fireboy, but I'm on Molly. I'm on duty, but I'm on Loki. They want me, they want me, they want me gone, they want me. One they want me, one they want me. I'm in San Francisco, jamming. One they want me, one they want me. I just flew in from Miami, Peru. Para, Peru, Peru, para. I'm loose, even Peru don't te para. Post the bottle, wanna level up. When I'm with you, I never get enough. Slow out, I'm not in a rush. I can hear the music when you're here. Tonight we're rolling, body till closing. Since I put the ring on the finger, it's still frozen. Love in slow motion, I wanna feel you over me, yeah. Something magic in your eyes. Girl, I love the way you try it, and it happens every time you arrive, that's right. Girl, I want you in my life. If there's a heaven, then it's right here. I will never leave your side. Stay tonight, tonight. When you wanna see me, when you wanna see me, I'm in West London this evening, giving me feelings. I'm not leaving until I fly LA next weekend. Peru, para. Girl, I'd rather go find somewhere quiet. You glow, and I'll get lost in your eyes. Again, no be so. Girl, you just capture my soul. Again, no be so. Make me wanna just take you home. Peru, para, Peru, Peru, para. I'm loose, even Peru don't te para. Peru, para, Peru, Peru, para. I'm loose, even Peru don't te para. Peru, para, Peru, Peru, para. I'm loose, even Peru don't te para. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on other ukulele content from this channel. Also, I want to thank my friends at Enya Music for allowing me to showcase this awesome concert-sized Nova ukulele, which, by the way, is made out of carbon fiber. Yeah, it's not going to dent, it's not going to scratch. It's very travel-friendly and very sturdy. And if you want to get your hands on this model, then go ahead and click on the link in my description box below. By the way, do you want to hear some more music? Well, you should consider clicking on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my covers, which I think you're going to enjoy. So check that out. I look forward to seeing you right over there.